is all you need to make some lovely tangerine sponge cakes. Some tangerines, of course, some cases to put them in, some butter, eggs, baking powder, self-raising flour and some caster sugar. First thing we're going to do, give your tangerines or oranges a good wash and then get the orange zest off them. Then into your orange zest you're going with some segments of your tangerine or orange and you're just going to chop them all up into little pieces. With your orange pieces set to one side, time to melt your butter in the microwave, go in with the sugar and then get those mixed together till they're nice and creamy. With your butter and sugar mixed, it's time to go in with 2 eggs. In with your eggs goes the orange pieces and the zest. And then get those whisked in. Then it's time to put your whisk away and then sieve in your flour and your baking powder. Then you're going to work the flour and baking powder in with the wet ingredients until it all comes together. Time to get your cupcakes and then go in with about a heat tablespoon of your mixture. Do that for each of your cases. You don't want to fill the cases, just about 2/3 full will do. When you've got your cases filled, it's time to pop them in the oven at about 160 for around 20 or 30 minutes until a toothpick comes out clean, then you'll know they're done. When a toothpick comes out of your cakes, you know that it's done. Then it's time to decorate them. However you want. I'm going with some lovely cream and then just finish it off with some orange pieces. Get yourself a cup of tea and enjoy.